Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic software testing. So, let's get started. Which of the following is a key characteristic of exploratory testing? The correct answer is option B. Test design and test execution are performed simultaneously. When using boundary value analysis for a field that accepts values between 1 and 100 inclusive, which set of values should be tested? The correct answer is option A, 0, 1, 100, 101. In the context of the V model, which level of testing is typically associated with the requirements analysis phase? The correct answer is option B, user acceptance testing. Which type of test design technique is most effective for testing complex business logic involving multiple combinations of inputs? The correct answer is option C, decision table testing. What is the primary objective of regression testing? The correct answer is option D, to ensure that changes have not adversely affected existing functionality. Which of the following is a non-functional testing type? The correct answer is option C, usability testing. Equivalence partitioning is best described as. The correct answer is option A, dividing the input data into groups that are expected to be processed similarly. What does the term test oracle refer to? The correct answer is option B, a mechanism for determining whether a test has passed or failed. Which testing level focuses on the interactions between integrated units or modules? The correct answer is option B, integration testing. If a program has a cyclomatic complexity of 5, what does this indicate? The correct answer is option A. The number of independent paths through the source code is 5. Which of the following statements about smoke testing is true? The correct answer is option C. It is used to verify that the critical functionalities of a build work. In mutation testing, what is a mutant? The correct answer is option D, a slightly modified version of the source code used to evaluate test suite quality. Which document is used to track the relationship between requirements and test cases? The correct answer is option D, Requirements Traceability Matrix, RTM. Which of the following is an example of static testing? The correct answer is option A, code review. What is the primary goal of error guessing? The correct answer is option C, to identify defects that other formal techniques might miss based on experience. Which type of testing is performed by potential customers at their own locations? The correct answer is option B, beta testing. In test-driven development, TDD, what is the correct sequence of activities? The correct answer is option D, write test-write code-refactor. Which metric is calculated by dividing the number of defects found by the size of the software entity? The correct answer is option A, defect density. What is the main difference between retesting and regression testing? The correct answer is option B. Retesting ensures a specific bug is fixed. Regression ensures no new bugs were introduced elsewhere. Which testing technique uses a state transition diagram to design test cases? The correct answer is option B. State transition testing. Which of the following is a drawback of using independent testers? The correct answer is option A. They may lack detailed knowledge of the code implementation. What is sanity testing? The correct answer is option C. A subset of regression testing used to verify that specific bug fixes work as expected. Which type of testing is most concerned with how the system works rather than what it does? The correct answer is option C, white box testing. What is the primary focus of load testing? The correct answer is option B, to verify the system's behavior under expected peak user load. Which of the following is not a common exit criteria for testing? The correct answer is option C. The budget for the project has been completely exhausted. In an Agile environment, when should testing activities begin? The correct answer is option C. As early as possible, starting from the requirement/user story phase. What is ad hoc testing? The correct answer is option C, unplanned, informal testing performed without documentation or specific techniques. What is the purpose of a stub in integration testing? The correct answer is option B. It is a dummy module that simulates a low-level module called by a higher-level one. Which of the following is a key objective of software quality assurance, SQA? The correct answer is option B. To define and improve the processes used to create a quality product. What is robustness testing primarily focused on? The correct answer is option A, ensuring the software can handle invalid or unexpected inputs gracefully. Thank you for watching.